Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Junkyard here. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Junkyard. Well, today we're experimenting a little bit. I have some ideas here. I've watched a couple other recipes and I figured I'd put my own little concoction together on a quick and easy homemade pizza. Let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Hey guys, so if you have not had a chance as of yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we have a lot of videos here on my channel, as well as, oh my gosh, tutorials of all kinds of gamma. I gotta tell you, there's just a boatload of stuff here. And as well as, if you have not as of yet, check me out on Twitch. I actually stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday live on Twitch, and we have a lot of fun there. And I would love to go ahead and get some interaction, live conversation back and forth. We have a lot of fun on my Twitch channel. And again, we stream all the time, so make sure you check that out. All right, so today what we're doing is we're making a homemade pizza. First and foremost, what we want to do is get the oven started. So we're going to go ahead and set this to a 400 degrees. And we're going to go ahead and get that started. Now, I also have a pizza pan that fortunately I have, but if you don't have that, you could use a cookie tray. And if you're using a cookie tray, for example, if you don't have one of these, and a lot of people don't, hopefully you have a cookie tray. Now, if you use a cookie tray, use the bottom part of it so it doesn't fit us on the inside here, but I'll show you why. So you're gonna put this on there. But first and foremost, what we wanna do is get this heated up with this. So we're gonna put this on the bottom tray of the oven while it's warming up, and because we want that hot when we put the pizza on top of it so it crisps up on the bottom. And literally, we're not gonna cook it long in here. We're gonna cook it for, honestly, 4 minutes total. All right, let me show you what we're doing. All right, ingredients are basic. We are actually gonna go ahead and use a tomato. Now, you don't necessarily need to use the tomato. You could actually use a tomato sauce. You can use a ragu sauce, a tomato sauce, just to make it quick and easy. Because I know a lot of my viewers here are college kids, and by all means, you gotta do something quick and easy. So use that, and that's fine. But I'm gonna show you how to make this from scratch. And honestly, this is actually my first time, so we're gonna experiment together. All right, let me show you what we're doing. This is my food processor. Actually, this is my bullet. And we're gonna use 2 cloves of garlic. Now, if you have a couple garlic cloves, perfect. This is actually pre-cut up garlic that we already had in the fridge. We're gonna use about a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of ground up pepper. Whoa, that is not, we only want about that much, okay? All right, I'm gonna use thyme in here. Now again, you can use, this is ground up thyme. You can use, we're gonna put a little bit of that in there, as well as Italian seasonings. So this has a good collection of different flavors that you're looking at. Now, again, fresh herbs are always the best. I don't have fresh herbs here. I'm just getting stuff that I have here in the house and putting it together. All right, and then one of the things you don't want to forget is a pinch of sugar. Now you don't want a lot. Honestly, you just want just a pinch. It's going to help break down the acids of the tomato that we're going to be putting in here. All right, so we have a tomato. We're going to cut that up. Usually tend to take the core out. You don't honestly need to, but what the hell. All right, we're just gonna use this whole tomato here. We're just gonna drop it in here. We also are going to need just a little bit of tomato paste, okay? Just a little bit. Now, one of the key things in this is going to be, what I'm putting in here is ground up hamburger. Now that's gonna help literally pull this all together. You don't need to use hamburger. You can use, gosh, any sort of smoked meat, ham, whatever have you, and go ahead and put that together. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in here. Honestly, we're just going to ground it up and put it together. Make sure it gets all those. That's it. That's our tomato paste. That's our tomato sauce, you guys. All right, then what we have is you know me, I have tortillas in the house. So this is a flour tortilla. What we're gonna do here is put the paste on here. Looks almost, it's definitely not as red as a lot of tomato pastes or tomato sauces are because of the hamburger went ahead and ground up in there. So it's a meat lovers tomato sauce. So we're gonna put that in there. Then we're gonna add this pizza blend cheese that Lisa picked up at the store. And we're just gonna go ahead and paste this with it. Now again, if you do not have cheese like this, use cheese sticks. You know, it's mozzarella is all that is, and strip this off, cut it down and put it on top of it. But again, since I've had this, might as well use it. All right, now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna actually make this a bacon pizza. We're gonna put some bacon all over. I already have some pre-made bacon here. As you can see, we got some pre-made bacon. We're gonna put this on top of this. And you could add olives. You could add some more meat to it if you want. You could add some pepperonis. Honestly, whatever you have in the house is ideal. In fact, we have a little bit more of that meat. I think I might as well make this a meat lover's pizza. Why the heck not, right? All right. All right. That's it. So we're going to put this in the oven once the oven warms up to 400 degrees and literally see how it comes out. All right, let's add a little bit more cheese on top. Let's get this in the oven. All right, again, we have a 400 degree oven. We have the cookie tray here. Get this out here so I can get it on here. We're gonna put that on there. We're gonna cook this for 2 minutes on the bottom. And then we're going to move it up to the top. Alexa, give me a 2-minute timer. So after 2 minutes, we're gonna move it to the top tray and then we're gonna go ahead and let that cook for another 2 minutes. All right, so we have the 2-minute timer just went off. Literally, it's already melted. We're gonna move that up to the top, let that cook, probably for more like 3 minutes. 2 minutes tends to be a little bit under from what it's looking like here, but it should be good. All right, 3 minutes down the road. Oh, Alexa, give me a 3-minute timer. All right, we'll see you in 3 minutes. Now, as far as this cheese board, I actually made this cheese board, you guys. And I'm thinking of making another one where I'll go ahead and sand this nice and smooth so you can get under the pizza for future ones. And if that's something you guys might be interested in, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll make a handful of them and see if you guys will go ahead and purchase those and help keep supporting the channel. And get something really cool out of this. This is really cool, by the way. This board is, we have cherry in here, walnut. I got purple, I can't think of the name of this wood. It's purple something. This is actually mesquite. And this mesquite actually came from a board that I actually cut, a trunk. That I cut it and I shaved it and took off the chunks of wood. That is actually mesquite. Beautiful, beautiful hardwood grown right here in Arizona. So, anyway, little tidbit while we're waiting for the pizza. All right, let's get this out of here. Oh yeah, that's nice and crispy. Look at that. All right, let's get this on the cutting board here. Wow, look at that. All right, so on top of this, we also want to probably add a little bit more. You can never go wrong with too many little, well, I guess you could, but we're gonna add a little bit of spinach on the top just to add a little bit of green. And we got some fresh tomatoes. This is Roma tomatoes I've already pre-cut. Get those on there as well. I like how the cool and the hot will complement each other. Then we also have some pepper flakes. Let's go ahead and put some pepper flakes on that as well. All right, definitely crispy. Let's go ahead and cut into that. Okay. We'll do it. A triple cut here. All right, let's see how it tastes. Nice and crispy. You can't go wrong with bacon. Oh my God. Wow. Sometimes I love experimenting. Hot damn. Wow, guys. The flavors from the herbs, as far as all through and through, the pop of the pepper, the hamburger, the bacon that's just infused in there, and then enjoying those tomatoes, fresh, cool tomatoes right on top. And the flour tortilla, who would ever thunk? Use a flour tortilla. I got a freaking ton of flour tortillas in this house because I love burritos, But who would have thunk to use this flour tortilla as a pizza crust? Hot damn, guys. This is a winner. And again, you're not stuck to just making your own sauce. You can use pizza sauce. They actually sell it, make it quick and easy. But using a tortilla like this is phenomenal. You make sure you warm that pan up. I think that was the key to keep this thing going perfect. Getting that perfect crisp underneath. This is awesome, guys. Hey, so hopefully you learned something here. We had a lot of fun making this, and can't thank you enough for stopping by and watching my video. This is Junkyard, everybody. And don't forget to watch us live on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. We do live cooking shows. We're planning those on Fridays on a regular basis. And again, if you got an opportunity to help support the channel, we have a Patreon connected to this as well as our Twitch. So, you know, this is awesome. This is Junkyard, everybody. Needless to say, keep cooking.